According to Underwriters Laboratories, number 4 American wire-gauge copper is the smallest size that Underwriters Laboratories requires to bond for grounding, not equipment bonding. Metallic objects that are 4 inches or more in diameter and are accessible to personnel without tools are required to be bonded to the National Electrical Code grounding system. Refer to National Electrical Code section 547.6. If a metal pipe or similar object is not accessible, then it does not require bonding. National Electrical Code section 250.118 states that where conditions of maintenance and supervision ensure that only qualified persons service the installation, and where the likelihood of accidental contact with the piping system by unqualified persons is minimized due to its location or use, bonding of the piping system is not required. The non-metallic portion of the system does not require bonding.